Wow, this smells good. But I made this by myself, and I made these out of plain paper and I colored these. If you want to see my video how to make these simple, easy craft, so watch my video until the end. So come on, let's start the video. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today I am gonna make an easy craft, and it is how to make a paper flower. You can use colorful papers, but I am gonna use white papers because I like crafting and I want to color it by myself. But you can, if you don't have colors, you can use color paper and design your flower your own as well. But I am gonna do it with white paper because I like designing it. I might use my stickers to design it. So let's start doing our craft. Before starting the video, please give this video a big thumbs up, bam that subscribe button, and share to others so they can watch as well, and press the bell icon button so you cannot miss any of my videos. So let's start my craft. Let's go. Here I have 4 pieces of paper, so we have to make it the shape as a square. It is a rectangle now, we have to make it a square shape. So get this corner and put this side along with this side and join it together. There we go. You have to make it this kind of shape. Alright, and then cut the bottom. So here I got my scissors. So let's cut the bottom. You have to cut it from here. There we go. Now we just open it. And there we go. We made a diamond square shape like this. I have 4 squares that are now a triangle, but when you open it, it's like a square. So next of all, we have to shape it like a flower. We have to make it a flower. So let's go and start to make a flower. First, I am gonna take one of my triangle, it turns into a square, and then we put it like a diamond and do it like this. Now we got 4 sides, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now fold the flowers petals, put 2 in one like this. Let me just put my hand in like this, hold it from here, and then you just do this and then do it like this, and then do the same with the other one and line it up like this. It will be much easier to make the petals. Make it in, put it in the table, then you'll make it, then it will be easier to fold it. So it will be easier to press. Like I did. Put it standing like this and get this part and fold it over here. The corner, the bottom corner up on the upper corner like this, and then fold it Do the same with the other one. It keeps going like this. At the end, it will turn a square, a tiny square again. Like this. Now the same process on the other side. If I am going too fast, you can pause the video if you like. Do like this. It turned into a tiny square, just like at the... Now we get this side and turn it. We'll put the triangle. You have to put it full up like this. Now you put it like this and make sure, like the back one, you have to make it the same size as it. The proper size, like. And then the other side. Press it as harder as you can. It turn like this. Now you get this side and put it under this. Now let's put the other side the same, like this, and then put it in. Let me just open this one. Like this, it's going in. And then you hold it carefully like this, and then you can see this little hole in the middle. You blow it just like a balloon. Imagine you're blowing a balloon. And then it's puffy. And then get this and make its petals carefully. This looks like this kind of flower. Now I am gonna color these. My flowers are ready and they are looking so puffy and beautiful. Look how beautiful these are. Now I am gonna color these flowers in beautiful colors. This is how the flower looks. So puffy. It looks like it's for squishing, but if we squish it, it's gonna not work and then it's gonna not look nice. And I am gonna use my watercolors and this bowl of water, so none of my watercolors will mix and none of them will get dirty. So let me get out the paintbrush. This is how it looks. It is the color blue, matching like this one color. So first, let's color in this one red here and the petals green. Let's color it. First, I am gonna use my paintbrush and dip a little bit in my water. Now I am gonna color this red. colored all of my beautiful flowers. Look, what colors are they? This one is red, this one is orange, this one is yellow, and the last one is the color purple. Until these dry, we are gonna put these here and we are gonna decorate the sticks. I am gonna use baking sticks. You can use whatever sticks you have. And I am gonna make them this kind of sized to all of the sticks. And guys, friends, if you have this kind of sticks, you might not have to break it like this. You got your scissors, don't you? And make a little cut where you want to cut it from. But I want to make it the same size as it, so we'll put it this side like this, and then we'll have to cut it from here, just from here, and then get it. Then just you cut it a little cut like this from both sides, like from here as well. Maybe it will take just 1 second and then it will be done. And like I did some cuts, and then you just break it easily and carefully. Look, it breaks so easily. Let's just break it from here and cut this little strip off. I have done cutting my sticks. Let me put this aside. I got this blank white plain paper and I am gonna color it the color green a bit. I have done coloring it the color green, and then we'll put these sticks and cut it out the long paper like this, and then just wrap it around the stick, and then it will turn into a green one, and then we'll put it over here like this. But it is still not a bit fat. I cut it out a green strip and I got a baking stick. Now you got to do this on the back side where is no color. If you have paper color, you can do it wherever. Now we stick it over here, and then let's get a bit more. There is no glue over here. Done. Like this, and then you just now you got a little space over here. We're gonna put some glue on here as well. And then stick it over this side. I know it gets a bit messy. Like this. Sticks are ready because I left these spaces because, let me show you the example, because it will hide under the flower like this. And then it will look like a beautiful flower. Now, let's do the same thing with the others. looks beautiful. I have done making the flowers, and you can put these flowers in a glass and put them in the living room, in the bedroom, beside the TV stand. And for example, I got a plastic cup, but you can use a glass one as well to make it more prettier. And you can make more than me, like I made 4. You can make more than 4, and then put it like this over here to over here. For example, like this. Like red, orange, yellow, and purple. Just a bit like a rainbow. It looks so beautiful. I think you liked the flowers, how I made them, how I colored them, and how I decorated these. So if you liked my video, please give this video a big thumbs up, bam that subscribe button, and press that bell icon button so you cannot miss any of my videos, and share to others so they can watch as well and have fun making these flowers. Goodbye. Have a good day. Bye bye.